Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. See how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
I will come with this. This is how we do it. Just don't ask what I do. I can feel this This line, all of this line, faith. This middle, I can lie. This middle of the
they say that they sell Abu Dhabi. Nobody went to they sell. Now the way when they sell out, because they have insults during this they sell. You hear something like this. Allah itu macam ni boleh. Allah itu macam ni boleh. Kalau kamu ni boleh kita orang boleh. Kita nak kisah itu masalah ni kan. Kalau masalah salah tu lepas itu lepas. Kalau masalah sama kan isu kan. Ada dia yang lain boleh. Oh Allah soal Allah soal la ilaha illallah. Ini ada orang tu ni dah saja ada. Ada orang ni kata apa masalah. Nobody knows what called the best thing. The second set of people that those people say they send Airtel line. My brother. But before I talk about Airtel line, sir, everybody in Nigeria is guilty of scam. Scam there is country. Everybody. Like you take it ready. Tell him about why Toma from a low, Omiani, Muwa, Jebe, Mudani, Ama Shekini, Ama, Osina, the enemy starts. I'm telling you, now this guy went back past, we are seeing. They're sending message, my network, what they use. They're sending message, get amazing facts, get mind-blowing facts about Nigeria. Text yes, 2244, 100 naira per SMS. Me, my last one, Athena. Yes. When they were sending me the mind-blowing facts, ladies and gentlemen, my mind was blown away. They just said, did you know that the Nigerian flag is green, white, blue? I said, 100 naira. They said, for more amazing fact, text yes to 2244. I said, did you know that the thunder that will fire you is from reading in Mortal Kombat? Now, talking about Airtel line, the way they advertise it, sir, you don't want to buy them. Airtel line now. Airtel line now. Browsing, okay. Browsing, okay. Yahoo, okay. Google, okay. Facebook, okay. To go, okay. All my browsing, love it. No Airtel line now. Àwọn èkó lọ́dún láìsí ìyá tẹ́lá ìyá. Ìwọ́n tí sì mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ẹ̀sọ̀ dára wọn mọ̀ ní àbọ̀ sí onífẹ̀ẹ́sì òkú lókù òní ìyá tẹ́lá ìyá. Ladies and gentlemen, go to our channel and make a comment IG. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching our video. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.